Good morning, friends. I am Ajay Jain. Welcome to Celebration of Success, an initiative of Mastermind with the leadership of Mr. Bakul Parekh. And today we are glad to have a person who is connected with our mastermind. Versatile person, energetic person. I have seen him from last at least 10 years, but I have never found him depressed. Always energetic and always motivating. We are fortunate enough to have Mr. Harish Mehta with us. Thank you so much, हरीश जी. हमारे प्रोग्राम में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. और सब लोग जानने को इच्छुक है कि सर आपकी लाइफ कैसे गुजरी. तो
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अजय जी मुझे इस मंच पे बुलाने का. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू यू एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड प्राउड टू शेयर माई स्टोरी to inspire, motivate, and influence people. This is my journey today. My journey today started almost 12 years back. The new journey, the third innings of abundant Harish Mehta. The first innings, I was born in Delhi, grew up in Kolkata for the first 12 years, studied in South Point till class 7th, one of the prestigious schools in Kolkata. Moved on to Delhi because my dad got transferred and I was in a school called Salwan Public School. Passed out, was in the merit list of commerce section, stood 5th in All India, and then got an opportunity to enroll myself. Was invited to join Shri Ram College of Commerce, St. Stephen's and Hindu College. I chose Shri Ram College because my father was from that college. I graduated, just managed to pass because I was playing cricket 24/7, wanted to play for the Delhi State, Delhi University, could play Delhi University in the final year, and then just managed to pass because I was spending more time on the ground than in the classroom. And thereafter, I was selected, but I was not playing in the 11. I am sharing with you how life changes when those moments of success are visible, yet they do not happen. I went to Calcutta. My dad says, "You've been wasting your time here. Here's a job offer, join this bank in Kolkata." So I joined as a development officer with the erstwhile New Bank of India then. I was with them for almost from January of 1979 to April of 2000, not 2000, 1980. So January of 1979, 1st January, and April of 1980. And in that time, what happened? The banks got nationalized. I moved on to join Oriental Bank of Commerce as a officer trainee or a probationary officer, the 1980 batch. And I started playing cricket as a professional, where I was playing in Kolkata. As a pro, I left playing cricket and I chose banking as my career. Why I am emphasizing is, there are turning points in your life, and those triggers happen either here or there. Don't be nowhere. I repeat, either here or there. Don't be nowhere. So I chose to be here.
excellent, excellent.
And chose banking as my career. And there was nothing that could stop me then. I was full of energy. And my senior leadership could see the energy in me. They promoted me in less than 3 years to lead a bank branch in Mumbai in a place called Malad. That time it was a jungle. I really mean it was a jungle. In 1983, when I opened the branch, it was a jungle. But I joined the bank at the main branch at Fort Bombay as an officer, was 2.5 years in training, and head office, in regional office, and at the branch. And then they chose me to lead the Mumbai branch on the 25th of November 1983. And I rose from who I was to lead a bank branch at a very, very young age of 25. Can you believe that? And leading a new branch, and to top that, Shashi Kapoor, the film actor, he had come to cut the ribbon. What an inspiration. And when Shashi Kapoor came, there were more than 3,000 people outside waiting to come to the bank and look at Shashi Kapoor and open accounts with the
Wow.
branch.
Wow. Wow.
I am privileged to share this because there was a neighbor bank, Corporation Bank, who was already there for almost 2 years, and they were the leaders in that area. And I must share with you, and I'm proud to do that. In the less than 6 months, we overtook an established branch. I made it a Sunday open branch. I started accepting electricity bills, telephone bills, way back in 83. And this branch was Sunday open. And in those days, we used to have Mahabharat and the other serial of Mr. B.R. Chopra. And that used to be during 9, 10, 11 a.m. in the morning hours. And I put up a TV in the bank so that people would come and be in the bank, have a cup of tea with me, and enjoy the serial, which became an epic serial later. So I was there for almost 4 years, and I had visited everybody during that 4 years. Why am I saying that is, I invested a lot of time and my energy and my youth in building that place, the first branch of my life. And even today, after 30 plus years, when I go there, they remember me, that Evershine Nagar, Malad, and Neptune building, which was the corner building on Malad Marve Road. And thereafter, I moved on to head a branch in Nepean Sea Road, then Borivali, and then Stock Exchange finally, where I quit the bank in 1998. And I kept moving from a small branch manager to the medium branch manager, to a senior branch manager, to a chief branch manager, and left the bank on a high. I would have led the bank had I stayed on for the next 20 years. I choose to move on because there were something great which I was supposed to do. And that is why I left them. I built an organization for 10 years, a brand called Ginny and Johnny, as the chief financial officer, as the director on board, as their leader leading the owners to build a image, to build a brand, and be the number one lifestyle brand for children in those times and still. So this is the 10-year story which I did with them. So 80 to 98, I was with OBC, Oriental Bank. 98 to 2000, I was with a company called Alpic Finance as their CFO. And 2000 to 2010, 10 glorious years, I built this company. I set up 2 factories for them. We got investment from Reliance in those times, and rest is story. I moved on in 2010 to look at myself that I deserve to give more. I repeat, I deserve to give more to this. And I moved out to unlearn and then relearn and now teach, share, and care for people, especially in the leadership zone. Having been myself a young leader, I did this, and thereafter I learned from the best in the world. First, unlearned what I knew, and then learned from the best in the world, starting from Brad Sugars, business coaching, Marshall Goldsmith, executive coaching, John Maxwell, leadership coaching, Les Brown, speaking, teaching, and mentoring, and Bob Proctor, the law of attraction. And today, I can say with audacity and humility that I am one of the over-invested coaches, mentors, trainers in this country. I chose to learn from the best because one girl
Excellent.
asked me, Ajay ji, one girl asked me, why don't you do a small ICF and be? I said, if I have to be the best, I have to learn from the best. So second point to note, if you have to be the best, learn from the best and invest your money, time and energy with the best people of the world. Don't be ordinary. I repeat, don't be ordinary. Ordinary people are not valued. If you're extraordinary, you get value, you create value, and people value you. So this is the third innings that I played. First with the bank, second with building a lifestyle business corporate brand for 10 years, and today I stand tall.
Very good.
As a professional speaker, I lead the PSAI Mumbai chapter as a business executive, leadership, and mentor. And I also represent various communities within India and outside India. And I'm proud to share that this is my new life. I have disrupted my life, and today I am in the business of disrupting leadership within the country and outside the country.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very inspiring story. One is that जो हमारे हिंदी में कहावत है, पुत के लक्षण पालने में नजर आते हैं, तो पहले दिन से ही आपके क्वालिटी और लाइफ में और बैंक के जॉब में दिखा, और ये आज भी मौजूद है. और सबसे बड़ी बात जो आपने की कि आपने इतना पैसा खर्चा किया अपने आप को ट्रेन करने में, तो हमको भी लगता था इतना पैसा हरीश भाई क्यों खर्चा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आज समझ में आया कि सीखने का, राइट आदमी से सीखने का, राइट आदमी के साथ रहने का एक मजा और एक क्वालिटी अलग ही है. तो हरीश जी, आप यहाँ तक आ गए, आप इसके आगे के 5 साल आप का प्लान क्या है सर?
सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा, ये 18 महीने बहुत बढ़िया बीते. इससे पहले मैं हर दूसरे दिन एरोप्लेन पे चढ़ता था, कहीं नए शहर में जाता था, वहाँ बोलता था, आ जाता था. आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग, मैं बोलना शुरू किया लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पे. फिर मैंने मेंटरिंग शुरू किया, कोचिंग शुरू किया, और फिर मैंने इंस्पायरिंग शुरू किया लोगों को, सेल्स टीम, मैनेजमेंट टीम, लीडरशिप टीम, on their sites, at their venues. So I traveled not only within India, outside India. I was frequenting Dubai, Toronto, USA, Australia, and Europe. In these years, I met some great people. बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया लोग मिले. मैंने इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस 13 कॉन्फ्रेंसेस अटेंड की. 13 इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस. I learned, I joined and lived with those legends. ऐसे हाथ रख के उन्होंने मेरे साथ जब बोला, You have a powerful voice, Harish. Share your story with the world. आज भी मुझे याद है, लेस ब्राउन ने जब ये कहा, जॉन मैक्सवेल ने कहा, मेरे खुद के एक्शन कोच के फाउंडर ब्रैड शुगर ने कहा, हरीश यू आर ए $1 million कोच. सो ये सब चीज़ें जब मैं लेके आया हिंदुस्तान, मेरी आवाज़ गूंजती थी और मैं इस लक्ष्य में लग गया. आज मुझे आई एम प्राउड टू से, आज 10 साल पूरे होंगे मुझे. 2012 से 2022 आने वाला है कुछ महीनों में. ये मेरी नई जिंदगी, मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे मिलेगी, लेकिन अब मुझे मिली है तो मैं खोऊंगा नहीं इसे. इस जिंदगी में जो जो पाया है वो बांटूंगा. आई विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट व्हाट आई हैव लर्न्ड I'm sorry. First by unlearning, then learning, and now sharing, caring with people. I want those hungry people who want to lead businesses, professions, and lives and countries. I want to create legends in the next 20 years. That's
Wow.
my long-term goal. Short-term goal is to reach out to 1,000 business owners, leaders, professionals, CEOs. And my signature program today is Reset Your Mindset.
सर ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान ने अवतरण किया है कलयुग में अच्छाई करने के लिए। बहुत अच्छी बात है। और सर मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं कि जिंदगी में लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते, उसके 2 या 3 कारण कौन से होते हैं? और
सबसे
उसके
बड़ा कारण है डर। उससे बड़ा कारण है सेल्फ बिलीफ। पीपल डोंट बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स। जब वो वर्ड यूज बोलते हैं आई एम पॉसिबल, दे कैन मेक इट हैपन। और जो लोग बोलते हैं इट इज इम्पॉसिबल, वो दूसरी दुनिया में रहते हैं। जब वो बोलते हैं आई कैन, आई विल, आई एम एंड आई मस्ट, वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट होती है, वो एनर्जी लेवल डिफरेंट होते हैं, वो जज्बा अलग होता है, वो ताकत अलग होती है। और अजय जी, क्योंकि मैं वहां रहता हूं, मैं वहां वाली बातें करता हूं, मैं यहां नहीं रहता, इसलिए वो जानता नहीं कि वो अपना वक्त किस चीज में बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। सो मैं कहता हूं, वेयर आर यू इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम? इन लिसनिंग, लर्निंग, ग्रोइंग, और in gossiping, in complaining, in criticizing, or in worrying?
very good,
And-
very good, very good question. Yes,
And procrastinating. करूं ना करूं, अभी करूं या बाद में करूं या ना करूं। इस जिंदगी से बाहर निकलो मेरे दोस्तों। गेट आउट ऑफ दिस लाइफ। आई एम हैप्पी टू हेल्प। मुझे खुशी होगी अगर आप भूखे हैं तो आपको वो फीड दूं जिससे आपकी भूख भी मिटे और आपकी जिंदगी भी बदले। द मोर यू लर्न, द मोर यू अर्न। And this is the journey I've taken upon myself to teach hungry business owners, to teach hungry professionals, to teach hungry leaders to lead this nation to greatness. And they have it in them. उनके अंदर है, उसे सिर्फ जगाना है। और जगाने का जिम्मेवारी मैं ले रहा हूं अगले 20 साल के लिए।
हरीश भाई, बहुत अच्छा कहा आपने। पहली बात तो यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, ग्रेविटी ऑफ द सिचुएशन, और उसको खाली कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहे, उसके लिए कुछ करना चाहते हो, उसके लिए कुछ कर रहे हो। मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि ये खराब है, वो खराब है, मत बोलो, वो खराब को ठीक कैसे करना उसको करो। तो यू आर द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर इम्प्रूविंग व्हाट इज देयर एंड मेक पीपल यूटिलाइज देयर फुल पोटेंशियल। तो आप आए हरीश जी, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आपके इस इंटरव्यू से काफी लोगों को सीखने और मोटिवेशन मिलेगा। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।